Look at these guys. Let's go from this to this. So this came off of my compressor, and I'm gonna show you how I'm cleaning these up. Awesome. Luckily for me, I have this, which is a climper. Let me show you how it's done. Get you guys set up right here real quick so that you don't fall. I already dropped the phone once. Go. Easy. Let's see how this came out. And voila. It looking nice. So these are all the bolts. I think I have one more to clean up. And then once I get that other one undone, I'll go ahead and clean it up and slap in the new compressor.